Sensations, Male Group in Manila, managed under LDG Production and Viva Artists Agency. The boy behind the songs, Bingana, Wag Mo Akong Titigan, the latest album, Tao Po. Ladies and gentlemen, live here now in Cebu, please welcome the Magic Boy!
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go!
The show is about to start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Showtime! Yes, it's back again! And then it all comes, I guess it knows since we walk in. Show up, I'm right here tonight. It's time to make it was fun. Don't let it too hard to my hurt yourself. Give the rap, please. Oh, shit! Hey, hey! I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Give up! Too many teenagers around me. It's a wake up in the rock. Give up! What's your shot? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so bad. Look out now. Take a breath for the hustle. Gangster. Get out, please. Get out, please. I got a show for my man. Get it in. First, get your attention. Do your tricks. Get your money like money ain't. Way too fresh. Get a blame on Jesus. Hashtag. Hey, sing it with me. Yeah. Some money on my mind. Give up. So many things you want me. Give up. When you're mad, get your days in my wall to be jumped. Give up. That's all that. Put your feet with them. Hey, girl. What you're trying to do? What you're trying to do? We're going magic. Everybody say, everywhere I go, to be like, so bad. Everywhere I go, to be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, to be like, ooh, so bad. No, let's go, break it. Let's go. This uptown funk gon' give it to you. This uptown funk gon' give it to you. Uptown funk gon' give it to you. Saying now we hit in the spot. So believe me this one. Don't believe me this one.
Make some noise, Cebu!
Ang daming magaganda dito sa bandang to.
Oh, talaga. Meron din dito siyempre.
Kaway-kaway lang ka. Grabe, ang gaganda nila.
Hi guys, my name is John Mark Marcia.
My name is Johan Shane, but you can call me Uno. My name is Asher Diaz.
My name is Jace Ramos.
My name is Rafe Obado.
Your boy, it's your boy, Maki Boy.
My name is George Guda.
And my name is Ian Briones. You can call me.
We are the Magic Boys!
So, pala guys. First of all, gusto ko pong batiin magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maayong gabi Cebu. Before kami mag-start sa OPM songs namin, I want to take this moment na i-acknowledge si Tita Aida Patana. Without her efforts guys, this event wouldn't be possible Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, Tita Aida. You may rest in peace po.
Thank you, Tita. We love you, Tita.
Thank you so much, Aida.
Music DJ.
Lagi akong di mo pinapansin, para lang ako lagi sumusunod sa gusto mo. Lagi kitang inaalala kahit di mo ko pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet. Nakinig ikaw, bibitaw sa'yo. Nakinig ikaw, say what? Ko'y giniginaw, halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Wala nang sa mga LGBTQ nating mga kapatid.
Yes.
At si Cebu.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Grabe.
We love
Kapag mahal talaga ang ating mga kapatid. Diba, pre?
Pare, kaibigan lang kita. Pare, kaibigan lang. You know, ang saya sa Cebu. Grabe.
So this next song, inaalay ko po ito sa lahat ng nagmamahal and sa mga may minamahal.
Sabay-sabay guys, come on. Thank you so much! Thank you, Cebu! At hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Of course, may inihanda kami sorpresa para sa inyo na paniguradong mamahalin at kikiligin kayong lahat. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayong kiligin? Hina ang hina, hindi ko mahina eh. Handa na ba kayo, Cebu? So let me please welcome on stage Miss Annalyn Batalier, known as The Malin.
Mamahalin pa rin kita dito na lang. Sa aking tabi, lahat tayo narating. Dito ka lang.
Thank you so much, Annalyn and Sherwina, for joining us here on stage. And hopefully, nag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Nag-enjoy po ba? Yes! Sinong gusto pa?
Tahimik na. Tahimik na.
So, this next song, ito po yung mga original songs namin. Ang title nito is Tampo and Bintana. Available siya on all social media platforms and music platforms, especially Spotify, YouTube, and Facebook.
Speaking of Facebook po, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa 400,000 followers sa aming Facebook page.
Yun. At syempre, sa ating mga milyong-milyong views, di ba?
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa amin.
Thank you po. Music please.
Without you, my world is